Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact using a controller on PC. First, connect your preferred controller to your computer. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or Bluetooth for a wireless setup. Make sure your controller's drivers are installed and updated for the best experience. Once connected, simply launch Genshin Impact, and the game should recognize your device automatically, preparing you for adventure. Next, once you are in the game, open the payment menu and go to the settings. From there, select the Controls tab. You will find options to enable controller support if it is not already active. This section also allows you to customize your button layout, letting you reassign actions to different buttons for a more personalized and comfortable gaming experience. Generally, the left analog stick controls your character's movement, while the right analog stick handles camera rotation. The face buttons are typically assigned to normal attacks, elemental skills, elemental bursts, and interaction prompts. The shoulder buttons and triggers often manage sprinting, aiming, and opening various menus. Familiarizing yourself with this standard layout will greatly enhance your gameplay. To truly master Genshin Impact with a controller, practice smooth character switching and elemental reactions in combat. Utilize the Quick Access menu, often mapped to a shoulder button, for swift item and gadget usage. Do not hesitate to experiment with camera and aiming sensitivity settings in the Controls menu. Finding your ideal sensitivity can significantly improve your precision and overall enjoyment during your journey through Teyvat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.